Active3 Erection Systems are designed to help produce firm and reliable erections in men with erectile dysfunction, as well as offer vacuum therapy for those suffering from Peyronie's disease or recovering from a prostatectomy. The kit contains everything you need to effectively and safely achieve and maintain an erection. Full instructions are included in the box, as well as a pump cylinder, ring loader, loading cone, automatic pump head, UK charger with magnetized connector, lubricant, and 5 rings, 1 of each size. Additional rings can be purchased on the website. Take the pump cylinder and attach the ring loader and the loading cone. Lubricate around it to make the ring easy to load. Pull the ring over onto the blue section of the pump cylinder and remove the ring loader and cone. On the end indicated, place the pump head. Your pump is now ready to use.